school, Bhimrao was made to sit in a corner. Teachers wouldn't touch him, and he needed a high-caste student's help just to drink water. These humiliations could have broken him, but instead, they strengthened his resolve to rise through education. Born on 14 April 1891, in Mho, present-day Madhya Pradesh, Bhimrao belonged to the Dalit Meher caste. During that era, Dalits were denied access to education, water, temples, and social equality. Bhimrao experienced discrimination from a very early age. B. R. Ambedkar's life was filled with obstacles, but the most defining struggle he undertook was for education. Born into an untouchable caste, he proved that education is the most powerful weapon to break the chains of social injustice. Father, Ramji Sakpal, was a Subedar in the British Army and believed deeply in the power of education. Despite poverty, he inspired and supported Bhimrao's education every step of the way. Bhimrao enrolled at Elphinstone College in Mumbai in 1908 and became the first Dalit student to study there. In 1912, he completed his BA. However, financial hardships and caste-based insults never left. Ek 1913, Bhimrao received a scholarship from the Baroda state to study at Columbia University in the US. For the first time, he experienced a society where caste-based discrimination did not exist. This profoundly impacted his worldview. Ambedkar earned an MA and later a PhD in economics. His thesis, The Problem of the Rupee, became a landmark in Indian economic thought. This period helped him sharpen his intellect and expand his vision. Studied law at Gray's Inn and became a barrister. Financial difficulties forced him to return to India briefly, but he later resumed and completed his education. Returning to India with prestigious degrees, Ambedkar used education not just for personal growth but to empower the oppressed. As he famously said, "Education is the weapon through which you can change the world." As the architect of the Indian Constitution, Ambedkar ensured education as a fundamental right. He advocated for equal opportunity, scholarships, and affirmative action for Dr. Ambedkar's struggle for education was not just a personal journey, it was a revolution that continues to inspire millions. His life teaches us that education is the